Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which we are going to discuss about how to create an automatic birthday mail sender with using Python. So today's video is going to be about an automatic birthday mail sending application we have to create using Python. So coming to the introduction, automatic birthday mail sending by Python is a program that is used to send automated birthday greetings to a list of email addresses on a specific date. So this is accomplished by using a Python script that runs in the background, and it also checks for birthdays on a specified date and sends the pre-written email to the specified email addresses. So the Python script typically reads the email addresses and birthdays from the database or a spreadsheet and uses the SMTP lib library to send emails. It can also be used to be built-in email module in Python to send emails. So the script can be set up to run on a specific date and time, such as every year on the person's birthday, or it can be run manually. So the automatic birthday mail sending script is useful tool for companies and organizations that have a large number of employees or customers and want to send personal birthday greetings to them. So it saves time and effort compared to manually sending birthday emails to each person, and it ensures that everyone gets a birthday greeting on the special day. So send happy birthday emails with Python automatically in just 4 steps. So following these 4 critical steps, you can send a birthday wishes email with Python. So the first step is import the necessary libraries. You have to import the necessary libraries, and then second step will be you have to import the email addresses of the desired person and the password, and then send an email to the friend function, and then compose the primary function. So let us discuss these 4 steps in detail. So the first step is now how to send birthday wishes email in Python is to import the 6 libraries. We have talked about importing libraries, right? So the 6 libraries are pandas, datetime, smtp, lib time, and then request, and then toast notifier. It will be easy to understand if you are well versed in programming languages. So once you import libraries, it's time to add your Gmail addresses into your email here field. Then add your Gmail password in your password here field. And then for security concerns, it is available or possible to create a new email ID. Anonymous users that have access to your script can manipulate your personal information. This is for your security concerns. And then the next step in sending birthday wishes email in Python is send email function, which is very important. Follow these instructions, send an email to the function. First, connect the Gmail servers. Once connected to the server, log into your Gmail with the help of the login function, and then add variables to Gmail ID and Gmail PWD as defined in the previous step. So in the next step, you add your and your friends' email variables along with the message in the MSG field. So note, define the message in the main function, okay? And then now you have to close the connection using Gmail _obj.qid field. So print out the email that has been successfully sent. Use toast notifier from the event and toast library to enable the desktop notifications. And then the final step in how to send birthday wishes email with Python is the main function, okay? So follow these instructions for coding the main function. Import friends data from an Excel sheet. Use the datetime library to match the current date and the year with the library list. And then note, you can also create an empty list to store information about your friends again. And then if there is any match, then call the send email or send SMS function. Now you have to update the index on the Excel sheet and set it to false for every friend the script has sent an email to. So for the algorithm for this application will be store a list. First you have to store a list of all the birthdays you want to send emails for, including the email addresses and name of the recipients. So this list can be stored in a CSV file or a database. And then the next step would be writing a function to read the list of birthdays and check if any of them match the current date. And then the third step would be if there's a match, and send an email to the recipient using the email library with SMTP lib or a third party service like Gmail API. And then the fourth step would be you have to compose the email with personalized messages including the recipient's name, wishing them a happy birthday. And then the last step would be scheduling the script to run daily, so it checks for birthdays and sends emails on the appropriate day. So the sample code for this application would be this one as I showed you, and then you have to import SMTP IP as you said, and you have to import CSV, and then from import date, time, and then you have to replace with your own email. You have to mention your email here, and then your email password here, and then this is how the code works. And then the output of this would be this: dear Abdullah, I hope you all your wishes come true, happy birthday to you. This is the code we created, or the application we have run through Python, which would create an automatic email sending message without you remembering, or without asking you, which is a good option for many companies. And then even if you take an example of this Zomato or any other information, when you give an information to an app, birthday information or your date of birth information, it automatically sends a message to you on your birthday. So that's where this application is run. So in the conclusion, I just say that the automatic birthday mail sending with Python to our friends and family members gives us with this automated machine, happy birthday mails, happiness and joys to our family and friends. Thank you for watching this video.